I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for the final day of Jenny's countdown to Christmas, day 25. So here is our gift. And it's fabric, right? Please tell me this is fabric, because this would really make everything just come together and wonderful if this is fabric. Let's see what it is. I'm so excited. I don't think it's fabric. It's not fabric. Okay, it is a clock. It's a nice clock. It's like wood. I'll show you the back. It's battery operated. It says Missouri Star Quilt Company on it. It's cute. I mean, it's cute. It's not fabric. I'm a little confused as to why they started with the snow globe to kick it off and then they ended, which you would think, or at least I thought would be like a grand finale, but they ended with a clock. It's cute. It's a nice clock. It's not fabric. I don't know how I feel about that. And I don't want to dampen your Christmas day or anything like that. But I am going to be honest, it's not something I would have thought would have been the grand finale of this unboxing. But it has been a really wonderful experience. I will be back within the next few days to talk about this experience and tell you what I liked and what I didn't like, and how I will proceed from here with this box and whether I will do it next year. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope even in this busy time, you take at least 15 minutes to sew and spend some time working on a project, or at least working on yourself and doing something for you. And I will see you in the next few days. And then after that, I will have a whole bunch of stuff planned for 2022. I will see you then too. From my house to yours, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you soon.